4 days ago, as you can see right here at the beginning of the month, we had our R model price base or price prediction base for July of 2024. And in that, we said we could still see some little correction for Bitcoin, which is currently happening right now. And as you can see today, we have seen that push to the downside. Bitcoin is down about 7%. So, what is next right here for Bitcoin is what we would be discussing on the channel today. Today we would be looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently at the $54,000 level. As you can see, our market cap is down to about 1 billion in the last 24 hours, down about 7%. And in the last 1 week, we are down about 11.9%. And so without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for Bitcoin versus the USD Theta. On the weekly time frame, Binance is the data source, right? So even though we did not expect Bitcoin to go as low as the $53,000 level, we said we are expecting that prices could go even into that $57,000 level. We said we could trickle down into this $53,000 level, but we didn't expect that to happen this fast. As you can see, our next major support level continues to remain the $53,000 level right here, as you can see. And I don't think the $53,000 level will hold, as I believe we could still see prices coming to this $47,000 level. And I'll tell you why, right? Basically, if we just flip into right here our volume profile, the volume profile shows us what is happening. Basically, this is the Bitcoin versus the USD dollars chart. We are on the weekly time frame, right? So we said that we continue to see massive selling price action based on the weekly. As you can see, the moment we saw our volume profile turn bullish, we saw this sort of massive push to the upside. Momentum was in favor of the bulls, but we flipped bearish based on the momentum. This was right here on Monday, 22nd of April 2024. And since then, basically, we have seen momentum on the weekly basically continue to be bearish, basically, which means we could see prices push even to as low as the $48,000 level because momentum continues to remain weak right here on the volume profile. We continue to see that push to the downside, which could means we could see prices just have some sort of consolidation right here and have a quick peek into this $48,000 level before we see a bounce, right? That is where our next support level is at the moment. If we just flip over to the daily time frame, the daily time frame gives us a better context as to what we are expecting, especially as regards our EMAs. We were looking at our EMAs from the daily profile or from the daily. As you can see, our trending EMAs was bullish right here until April of 2024. We flipped bullish. We came back to retest the 100 EMA. As you can see, came back right here. And since then, we flipped bearish based on the trending EMA on 13th of June 2024. And we have seen that massive flip to the upside. In our last video, we were expecting this $57,000 level to hold, as that was the 200 EMA, and the 200 EMA has been, this white EMA has been a very massive support right here for Bitcoin. But as you can see, we have broken below the 200 EMA, and that is not looking good for Bitcoin, showing that if we do not hold at the $53,000 level, which we have seen that is going to be very with a very low likelihood that we are going to hold this $53,000 level. I expect to see prices come around at this $47,000 level. The $47,000 level might be a better and a support level right here for Bitcoin. As you can see, we continue to still remain bearish based on the volume profile on the daily. As you can see, momentum continues to still be in favor of the bulls, and so far the momentum as regards the bears continue to remain positive. Expect for the more downside for Bitcoin, right? So even though we did not expect to see prices come down this fast, right, we are still seeing massive selling price action going on, and that could continue probably till the $47,000 $1,000 level, right? So basically, that is the update right here on Bitcoin. We could still see one more drop, but majorly take note, we are still in the bull market. Yes, we are still seeing some correction, but the bull market still remains according to our price prediction, which we had in 4 days ago, right? We said about July. We said July could be the month where we see furthermore consolidation and probably a push to the downside, which we saw exactly as predicted. You can go back and watch that video. We explained everything in detail in our R model based price prediction for Bitcoin. So that is the update right here for Bitcoin on the channel. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day ahead.